Okay, fine. So now let's talk about the nodes and resource management, because the biggest problem with the CSS is like there is lot of information but everything is scattered, and you do not know how to do it in a bite size so you can absorb it, you can understand it. So that's the hardest thing to do. So what you can do, you should make concise notes, you should make one pager summaries, and for that you can use flowcharts, you can make mind maps, you can take help from the internet, like mind map is a website, you can make mind map from it. So you can if there is like lot of things in terms of listing and scatter data, you can make flowchart in if there is a kind of sequence, like for instance for the Pakistan affair, there are a lot of events, lot of years, lot of information to recall. You can make timeline flowcharts. Not only this, what you can do in this regard is you can make flashcards. This is going to be very helpful for you in the long run as well, because it would be like you are training your mind that you can absorb the information only, that information which is helpful and which you can absorb it at your own. So one pager for when you have information at in one book, it's very good. It's They have explained it well, so you can do it by taking information from there and make one pager. That would serve the purpose well. We do not have to make detailed notes, because at the D-Day what matters is how you reproduce and how you critically analyze the topic. Because since in examiner is not interested either you know about it or not, basic information is like there would not be any use of it. They are interested in your critical analysis skill. So make concise notes which you can revise it whenever you need it. So you can as I told earlier about the past paper, use it as a reference but solve it in a systematic way, like 2025 do all the question, not like scattered. When you complete one task at a time, you give signal to your mind, and it gives you a sense of productivity and sense of accomplishment. So do it in systematic manner, in an organized manner, so you can get benefit of it. That's all for now. Thank you very much.